Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Airtm account to your PayPal account. So let's get straight in. The first thing you want to do is go over to the left hand side and you want to tap on withdraw. Now from here you can see it has a from and it is from your Airtm account. And on the right hand side you can see it says to, and here we're going to click on the search bar and we are going to type in PayPal. So once you've typed in PayPal, you'll have two options: a PayPal balance, $15 or less, $15 or more. So we're going to choose the first one. And from here, as you can see, it does say that I have insufficient funds. However, you will enter the amount that you would like to send to your PayPal account, and then you will tap on continue at the bottom over here. Now, the next step involves a peer, which will basically be like a person that will actually do the transfer. So they'll do the transfer, and you'll just have to confirm that transfer. And once you're done, you can go ahead and check in your PayPal balance if that transfer has been made. Sometimes it may be put on hold for various reasons. However, you can still see that in PayPal and you can confirm that your payment has been transferred. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.